Hello friends, in today's world we hear many things about men and women, that men is spatial and women is spatial, but one thing that we have missed to notice, that is, why do women have small handkerchiefs and big purses while men have small wallets and big handkerchiefs? Why so? So let's begin. There are many answers on this question, so let's know. Girls are motivated towards their beauty, and they are more clean to boys, so they have small handkerchief. Men are more dirty and mostly in field work, and they have to travel in cold, hot and in dirt, so getting more dirty, so they need big handkerchief. Girls keep small hanky, because normally they don't have pockets in their dresses to keep the big hanky, but boys have lot of space for the same. Lately even girls have started keeping an additional napkin in their purse. As far as the purse is concerned, boys have only small things to carry in it, like credit card, some money, driving license and for some old-fashioned photograph of the girlfriends. For all this they just need a small wallet. But the girls carry an entire world in their purse, full makeup kit, a small napkins, mobile phone, sunglasses, novels, etc., 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 hence a big purse. Another answer is like that. Women's accessories are designed keeping style, delicacy in mind. They do not always have pockets or large handbags to carry stuff. A small clutch may be the only thing they carry to hold something. Masculinity has been associated with a larger size, irrespective of individual body size. And they have not bothered to give it a thought, or change the prevalent practice. Next answer is, not that biology is my field of expertise, but I think it has something to do with sizes. Men will often have a bigger face and larger hands than women. That is how it usually is. Human male is bigger than the human female. Also, as far as we know, ladies sweat lesser than men. We also wonder whether this has any connection with bygone ages, where men may have worked more outside their homes and in such fields, vocations where they had more needs to clean their hands and faces. Who knows? To close with a light note, some men just prefer to open their handkerchief, fold it the other way, and reuse it for another day. A bigger one suits such a use. So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.